Hey guys, this is Ecstasy Creep here, and sorry for the delay for the unboxing video. I've been really busy lately. So here we go. Let's unbox the Ego 11 that I won off markerbids.com about 2 weeks ago now. So nice case. And here we go. So this is the Dark Ego Purple Marine Blue. Pretty sweet. And here it is right in the box too. If it'll focus here anyway. There we go. And there you have it. Thank you to Mike at Marker Bids, and we'll see you guys bidding there fairly soon. See ya.